Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training channel by George Pierce. In this video, you are going to discover some of the reasons why affiliate marketing is not for everyone. The reason for this video is not to talk you out of affiliate marketing, but there are some personal characteristics or attributes that successful affiliate marketers have. If you have them, then affiliate marketing may be exactly what you have been looking for. It may be a perfect fit for you. If you do not have them, affiliate marketing may not be a choice. If you are an aspiring affiliate marketer or if you are considering becoming an affiliate marketer, I invite you to keep watching. I also invite you to stay for your bonus, which is a way you can earn $10,000 per month in the next 90 to 120 days. Let's begin. Are you a do more person? All affiliate marketers look for new and better ways that will help them to do more in less time. The twist is that successful marketers use these time savers to do more. Their mindset is not to be able to work less, rather to get more accomplished. Affiliate marketing might be presented as a lazy way to make money. It is not. New and better ways should not be viewed as an easy way out. If you are a do more person, if you are a go-getter, affiliate marketing can help you to realize your potential. If you like this video so far, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black, do that right now, thank you. If you like this kind of video content, I invite you to join this channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Back to our video. Are you tenacious? There is an old saying that you should never change a good mind. When you make a decision, are you the kind of person that will stick with it? Successful affiliate marketers are extremely tenacious, and they need to be. Affiliate marketing is an extraordinary opportunity, and yes, it is simple, but it is not always easy. Things can get tough, things can get difficult. When the going gets tough, are you the kind of person that will stick with it? If your answer is yes, not only is affiliate marketing worth your investigating, you happen to possess a key ingredient for affiliate marketing success. Do you enjoy learning? Affiliate marketing is a learning process. You might already know that, but what you may not know is that it is a constant learning process. The learning, literally, never ends. If learning is not really your thing, affiliate marketing may not be for you. If you are the kind of person that loves learning, affiliate marketing is a quest that you will love. Your love of learning will be rewarded, affiliate marketing will become a labor of love, and you will discover that affiliate marketing is the best choice that you have ever made. Are you a risk taker? Calculated risk taking is going to be an essential part of affiliate marketing. You will need to do what is called step out of your comfort zone. That will probably be more often than not. These uncomfortable steps are part of the job. If you are not okay with having to take risks, if stepping out of your comfort zone is difficult or impossible, affiliate marketing is not likely going to be a choice that you will want to make. If taking calculated risks is something that you are able to do, affiliate marketing will ultimately reward you handsomely. Are you a half-full glass person or half-empty glass person? Do you see obstacles and roadblocks as problems or as springboards to solutions? If you are the kind of person that focuses on problems, affiliate marketing may be the wrong choice. If you are a half-full glass person, if you are solution-oriented rather than problem-oriented, problems become opportunities, which lead to success. In other words, if you are negative, this is not for you. If you are positive, affiliate marketing should be at or near the top of your list. Possibly the most important ingredient is belief. Are you a believer? There is a famous quote by Henry Ford, whether you think you can or think you can't. You're right. If you sincerely believe that affiliate marketing works and that you are capable of making it work, you are right. If you do not, you are also right. Are you a believer? Every light does not have to be green to proceed. Let's say that you are definitely interested in affiliate marketing, or perhaps you have already begun your affiliate marketing journey. However, you may have an issue with one or more of the ingredients. Should you stop your pursuit? Should you abandon your efforts? The answer depends on you. We are capable of making changes. In fact, we are often capable of much more than we give ourselves credit. If you desire to make those changes and are willing to put forth the effort, then do not let anything stand in your way, especially yourself. Anyone can succeed at affiliate marketing. If there is a personal change that is going to help you to assure success, no big deal, make the change. Affiliate marketing will make it worth it. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is another way for you to make money online. This is fast track training. This is Mr. P's #1 choice. It is a way for you to make $10,000 a month from home. Within the next 3 to 4 months, you will find a link below where it says start here. Hit that link so Mr. P can give you the details. Do not forget to give this video a like, and allow me to ask you once again to join this channel. Mr. P and I are rooting for you. We wish you much success. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.